Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Battlefield 2042 game. So let's jump to the fixes. So the first fix is to restart Steam. So right click on System Tray, then click on Task Manager. Now here right click on Steam Client Web Helper and click on End Task. This will close the Steam. And then you can relaunch Steam and launch Battlefield 2042 game and check your controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, then simply restart your PC. Click on Windows icon, then click on power menu and then click on restart option. This will restart your PC, and after your PC restarts, you can then launch Steam and launch Battlefield 2042 game and check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then enable disable Steam input. To do so, open Steam, go to library, right click on Battlefield 2042, select properties, go to controller tab, then override for Battlefield 2042. Next to it, click the drop down and here select enable Steam input, and then you can launch the game and check. If it is not working, then repeat the process and this time select the disable Steam input instead, and then you can launch the game and check. Third solution is to simply press the Alt plus Enter keys. Try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the issue. Now check if the controller or gamepad is working in Battlefield 2042 or not. Fourth solution is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. Other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, mouse, keyboard or additional controllers, display, phone, camera might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fifth solution is to check if controller is properly connected or not. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. Wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly. Wired controller, try plugging it to different ports. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the issue. Sixth solution is to use a wired controller alternative solution. So maybe the game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and play the game as of now. And the last solution is to verify the integrity of game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Battlefield 2042, select properties, go to installed files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification of the game files, you can launch Battlefield 2042 game and check if controller or gamepad is working or not. So by this way you can fix controller or gamepad not working issue on Battlefield 2042 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.